All right, good morning, everybody. Coming live from 5th Avenue. Gonna be looking at the destruction of once in a lifetime. Maybe again they'll have it because they like protesting. Check it out. Look at Manhattan. Everything is boarded up. We're gonna go right into the center now of where it all came down. We're going up to 5th Avenue, 59th Street. Look at Manhattan. Boarded up all over. They smashed everything up. Breitling, look at Breitling. Done. All the watches gone. Madison Avenue, boarded up. Look at this. Dior, done. Chanel, done. All the high-end stores, boarded up. Manhattan is finished. They have no windows. Tiffany's. Look at that. Tiffany's. Boarded up. They cleared up. They cleared it up. They got Van Cleef too. Look at that. Done. Van Cleef, look. Everything boarded up. They took it out. All the high-end stores boarded up. Construction workers are outside still boarding things up. Yep, here's the police. They didn't touch the Gucci store. Must have been not a high item. I guess we know, don't buy from Gucci. There's nothing there. Gucci is still safe. With the bag, everything. Oh, this is the Donald Trump building. That's why they didn't get Gucci. Gucci did good. Donald Trump, they couldn't mess. They had the Secret Service here. Look at this. Armani, Dolce & Gabbana. Look at Manhattan, guys. Look at this. Boarded up. This is what the media did not show. Look at everything. Everything's boarded. Even the hotel is boarded up. Look. This is all Manhattan. Boarded up. Have you ever seen Manhattan look like this? The media will not report this. Look at Coach. Look at Manhattan. I'm just driving. Not one window left. Look at Microsoft. Gone. The media does not show it because this is what happened. Here's the Rolex store. Right there's the Rolex store. Look at it. Everything boarded up. Zara, boarded up. Ferragamo, gone. Look, everything's empty. Look at the shelves. Empty. Empty. Look at the blocks. Look. Everything boarded. Manhattan is boarded up. Look. They don't want to show this to you people because they're afraid. St. Patrick's Cathedral, not boarded up. They have no windows. Look at this, folks. This is Saks, 5th Avenue. Look. Boarded up from end to end. They put barbed wire. Check it out. Barbed wire. The media is all here. Look at the media. Look at the security. Security standing outside. 10 guys. Look at this. Puma. Done. Look. Everything gone. Welcome to Manhattan. Guy just went through the red light. Look at that. Boom. Nobody cares. Ted Baker. Gone. H&M. AT&T. All the stores. Look. Look, folks. Everywhere you see boards, windows are gone. Look. Look at this. Look. No, this was not a riot. This was not a riot, right? Look at this. Look at New York City. What happened? Here's the Adidas, the Nike store. Look. Nike, Adidas, Philippines,
Look, they even
Oakley,
books.
Barnes and Nobles. They even took books just to put it on eBay. Anything could sell, they took. Look. Look at this, folks. I'm on 45th Street. Look at the time. 4 minutes and 28 seconds. And you still, all the stores have been crushed. Folks, the media will not report that. Hey, Lee. This is it, Lee. This is your home base. You should start recognizing this place. Lee, this is the Gap. Look, everything boarded. They smashed it all up. The banks, everything. Look. Okay, as we get closer, here we go. We're gonna go to 47th Street. Look, everything's boarded up. It takes too long for the media to do this. Here you go. Looks like the 1980s in New York City. When was the last time you seen anything like this? Look at all these boards. Look at them. Look at all this, folks. All right, folks, we're coming down 47th Street, Mr. Lee's headquarters. Look at this. This is 47th Street. 6:26 in the morning, 47th Street. They have one cop watching the area. Everything's already closed down here. Look at it, all boarded up. 47th Street, folks. 47th Street, look at this. Will we ever see something like this in our lifetime? I think so. Will happen again, most probably. Once they're allowed to do it one time, they'll do it again. Look at this, folks. Look at New York City. All the beauty of all those beautiful glass, mirrors. You shook. You have a door. Here, look, a little door. Look at this, folks. I give them credit. They cleaned everything up in one day. They came here, they got the glass, they cleaned up. All right, folks, coming from 47th Street. Have a good day.